the Gabion wire mesh weaving machine. If you need some mesh weaved, then this is the way to go. This is used to remove metal rust, and as you can see, it's doing a spectacular job. It cracks them, separates the yolk from the white, and well, that's pretty much all you can do with an egg, really. You think you've seen satisfying cleaning videos? Well, this one is pretty hard to beat. Extrude Hone created a process called abrasive flow machining, or AFM. A hydraulic machine pushes the AFM putty through metal car parts, such as cylinder heads or intake manifolds, which ports and polishes the inside. These forming machines carry out a variety of functions in the production of a wide range of products. It's a good job that shampoo labeling machines exist. Otherwise, you could be squeezing anything onto your hair. When you need to cut a tree in half, you need some serious machinery to get the job done. This Croco log splitter appears to do the work about 100 traditional lumberjacks. The AMF Trump Target Applicator deposits toppings on products like pizza, bread, and flatbreads with very high accuracy. How does fish end up packed and ready to go in your supermarket? Kind of like this. I'm sure you don't need me to tell you this, ladies, gentlemen, and smokes, but this is a cigarette making machine. Some products need sorting, and quickly, and that's why you need a high-speed sorter. This is a road widening process, because apparently this road is way too narrow. Creating grooves like this in concrete would take forever if you had to do it manually. Hence this handy gadget. It's a pencil sharpening machine, coming soon to the classroom of an overworked teacher near you. An egg production factory, from farm to factory. This machine makes trees extra smooth. I wonder if it works on the average man. Here's a vertical form fill and seal packaging machine, filling and sealing, like only this machine can do. These reciprocating conveyors are designed to receive unfired green ball pellets from the balling disc belt conveyors and transfer them onto the wide belt feed conveyor. Or so I've been told. Just like an annoying alpha male, this machine can crush any beer can you require. A time-lapse video of the world's largest 3D printed boat being printed by the world's largest 3D printer. The boat was printed in 72 hours and weighs 5,000 pounds. A burger, bun, divider, and rounder, preparing them for the inevitable plop of a slab of meat. This is called pad printing, and that's how those lovely patterns get onto your grandmother's lovely plates. Neapolitan ice cream being packaged, which is surprisingly satisfying to watch. Chocoholics, brace yourselves. You're about to see some pretty intense cocoa porn. Donuts, and the manufacturing process behind them. This is a noodle-making machine, and it's oddly satisfying, isn't it? Pasta shapes. Where do they come from? Do they just fall out of the sky? Nope. Metal spinning. Specifically, they're creating a copper downspout for a gutter system. Not very exciting, but pretty essential. If there's one place you don't want to catch your fingers, it's in this roll cutter. This crazy little gadget is a sock knitting machine. Now all we need is a machine that gets rid of sock holes. The principle here is placing an undersized elastic cover, stretch hood, over a larger pallet load. The stretch hood wants to return to its original shape, and this provides stability. You need circular holes? The Zigzag NC servo feeder machine can deliver. The manufacturing process for a popular brand of soap. Unsurprisingly, the machinery all looks incredibly clean. Don't worry, these bags don't contain baby seals. It's just the production line for a laundry detergent. The Numovo egg printing system manufactures printing systems for the marking and coding of eggs. The labels for this product, after being placed as seen in the video, are attached to the bottle with steam. This weighing machine can process up to 2 tons of produce per hour. It's the Spartan Leaf Pro Plus, and it sucks. I mean, it's great, but it does literally suck. How an eclair is made. Salivating yet? I know I am. Gardening on a huge scale, but still very satisfying to watch. The precision required for producing this small cheese snack is much more impressive than the snack itself. The creation of printed circuit boards has an almost artistic quality to it. This is a professional CNC stone, marble, granite carving cutting machine. But you knew that, right? A look at 3D printing in the construction industry. The open spillway gate at a hydroelectric power plant in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. A spillway gate is used to release excess water from dam reservoirs, preventing overtopping and potential dam failure during periods of high water flow. As you can see, this is very obviously a high-speed sausage packing machine. Steel plate bending machines. Just bending some steel plates. Well, what did you expect? This leather splitter is working on some lace, which is why the close-up is pretty handy. Your tasty deli meat slices come from this very contraption. It's an automatic dough divider, and I'm not sure what it's making, but they already look strangely delicious. This piece of machinery specializes in the production and loading of burgers. Wood carving videos are pretty satisfying, and the Ingenious gadget plays a large part in a lot of them. This contraption shapes metal in a weird and wonderful way. It's a DIY maypole braiding machine, a crazy but amazing little gadget. A high-speed braiding machine, chiefly used to produce high-quality hydraulic hoses. The most important thing 3D printers have contributed to society? The ability to create nerdy merch from our favorite video games. A laser printer doing what laser printers do best. This power press bends any metal you could ever need bending. An old railway track being removed in India by a vehicle tailor-made for that very job. This, folks, is a blow molding machine for all your weirdly shaped plastic needs. Another blow molding machine, this one specifically for engine oil bottles. That's right, it's making chains. You didn't think they just always existed, did you? What you're watching is the modern wire cable manufacturing process. Amazing! And another product we very often take for granted: packing tape. A very industrial way to create a very holistic product: incense sticks. Animal feed pellets, being created from anything that could possibly be thrown in there. Is it just me, or have you just started craving marinara sauce? A bamboo cutting machine, a vital piece of machinery in some parts of the world. These rotary scissors do an oddly satisfying job of lawn mowing. Use your eyes to watch the process that creates those things for your ears. This two-color stack-type flexographic printing machine is mainly used for non-woven materials. Another printing machine doing an impressive job of that very function. The Klop coin sorter in action. Who doesn't love French fries? If you do, then you'll fall in love with this handy little machine. Here's how spring rolls are made if you need a serious amount of them in a short time. The home of the Twister ice cream. What a beautiful holy place for all fans of this UK-based 1980s classic. You wouldn't think that a massive saw like this could have any ASMR qualities. Well, you just watch and listen to this. Watching this rotary machine is almost like watching one of those earwax extraction videos. In other words, very satisfying. I don't know about you, but I could watch this wire and cable wrapping machine for much longer than a sane person probably should. A machine that creates cheese croquettes. And where would we be without the humble cheese croquette in our lives? Okay, I admit it, I've never had a cheese croquette. A robot that paints the ceiling. Much easier than asking a tall friend to come over and help. Industrial bakery production of artisan rolls and breads with the Rondobot robot. The making of cupcakes, from eggs to final deliciousness. Watch the magic unfold as every ingredient comes together in perfect harmony. If you brushed your teeth as quickly as this machine makes toothbrushes, then your gums would never stop bleeding. This machine not only peels apples, but also cores and splits them, and throws any rotten ones at really unfunny comedians. It's a cap sorter. It sorts bottle caps. I think I've said enough. Carving a wooden flower pattern plate. Impressive, but whatever happened to a man and a knife? And now, the clip that's most likely to make you want to lick your screen. effective is a laser at getting rid of rust? Well, actions speak louder than words. These cuts are made using extremely high water pressure. In other words, it's not the kind of thing you'd want to take a shower under. Help keep the RetroCast Tech machine running at full capacity by regularly oiling our inner workings and clicking subscribe.